Hello friends, this is Professor Azim Shabbir Sutar from D.Y. Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Kasba Boda, Kolhapur, from Department of Civil Engineering, dealing with the subject Environmental Engineering. Today, I am going to deal with the subject or a topic related to sewage treatment plant process. Now let's see what is sewage. Sewage is liquid waste of domestic or industrial origin. Full in nature, consists of 99.9% of water. Domestic and industrial sewages are collectively called sanitary sewage. Now let's see what is the purpose of sewage treatment plant. Sewage treatment plant deals with the treating of the waste water entering into the plant to separate out the water, wastewater and the solids for the proper disposal of the treated wastewater into the freshwater bodies like rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Now, the treatment processes are classified as preliminary treatment, primary treatment, secondary treatment, and complete final treatment. Preliminary treatment consists of screening grid chambers and skimming tanks. Second, the primary treatment deals with the sedimentation tank to remove the suspended solids. Third, secondary treatment. The effluent from the sedimentation tank should be stabilized aerobically or anaerobically. Now, aerobically biological units include filters, aeration tanks, and oxidation ponds, whereas the anaerobic biological units consist of septic tank, amorph tanks, and sludge digestion tanks. Finally, the tertiary treatment consists of the chlorination, that is to kill the pathogenic bacteria. Now, this total process, when carried out, gives out a treated wastewater actually, which can be disposed of safe into the rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. But the sludge which has been discarded has to be given separate treatment. Now this treatment includes the drying of the sludge and using it as a fertilizer into the fields. Now overall, taking into consideration the treatment of the wastewater gives out the wastewater and the sludge which is stabilized and less harmful as compared to the inlet. This is carried out taking into consideration the environmental aspect. Also, when a student is dealing with the sewage treatment plant process in later future, when he is dealing with the topic, he can design the processes for the nation or any society or for himself. Then this is a kind of environmental and sustainability goal achieved. Thank you.